line tester, insulation tape, combination plier, digital tongue tester, mini hacksaw, digital multimeter, wire stripper, paper cutter knife, long nose plier, magnetic flashlight, electric air blower, LED headlamp, insulated hammer, cable and wire cutter, stabby screwdriver, electrical safety gloves, cable cutter and crimper, ring spanner, spirit level, screwdriver set, adjustable ratchet, soldering iron, safety goggles, drill machine and kit, double-ended spanner, polarity and leakage tester,